In this video, we will teach you how to use the direct messaging section. We have the My Followers section, which is used to send automated messages to our followers. We can choose a range of people, and we can also choose between a manual message or a message made with artificial intelligence. But for that, we must configure a preset, which we will do later. Then we have followers of others. What this function does is obtain the followers of another person in the selected range to send them messages. We must put the username of the person we want. In this case, we will use the one of the person on screen, for whom we have authorization from them and their followers. We choose the range and the type of message. Then we have following of others, which obtains from the selected range the people that the selected user follows and sends messages. Since they have 0 followings, we will skip this step. Then comments, where we open a post and paste the link. We can use both Reels and posts, and we must choose the range and the type of message. Then user list, where we can load users via CSV. The CSV must have a column with the name username, or we can manually enter the users to whom we want to send the message. As an example, I took a CSV with 300 users, and it's only necessary to select the range and a message so that it sends the message automatically. The range of people is made so you can complete ranges without having to do them all at once. You can write one day to the first 10, the next day to the next 10, and so on. It's made so that you don't repeat messages. Now we're going to configure a preset. We go to AI, and before creating the preset, we must have configured the OpenAI API key linked with Korpdeck. There's an exclusive video for that. Then we create a preset. We give it a name to identify it. Then we set the language we want it to respond in. In this case, we choose Spanish, since I wanted to respond in Spanish. We set the objective with which we want to send the message. We set the tone in which we want it to speak. Then we set the rules. In this case, I'll put things it shouldn't do, but you can indicate whatever you want. And then we generate the templates with AI, but you can also enter them manually. The templates are similar messages we would like it to send, so it can take them as a reference. And once we save the preset, we can now use it in our messaging. In this video, the section where we are going to send messages is followers of others. I will choose this person, since I have the consent of their followers and of the person themselves. We enter their name, choose the range of people we want to send the message to, and choose to generate a message with AI and select the preset we want. In this case, the one we just created. Once we click Send, the tool will start sending the messages automatically. We don't have to do anything. Simply not touch it and let it do all the work. We can minimize the pages it creates, but if we close them or move anything on the page where the work is being done, it stops working. As you can see, it first obtains the followers of the person, and once it has them, it starts sending messages to each of the people in the range. Also, as you can see, everything is done automatically, and each AI message is different, adapting to what we asked for in the preset.